Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be showing you the interior of the Hyundai Creta that I have recently purchased. So I will tell you a few things as well. Let me just start the car. So this is how the beep that you will get, and here is the instrument cluster. Okay, you can see how it is a semi digital instrument cluster. This is, I have a service in 1166 kilometers, and you get the RPM meter and the fuel gauge, and as well as the temperature and the speedometer. So all this is in the instrument cluster, and this is your button on the steering wheel for you to change things here. This will give you the fuel economy, the user setting, you have the light, door, sound and convenience and other features over here. And then if you just click on back, you have the other features like fuel economy and some other information that you will get here, that how many kilometers the car has already been moving, and what is the fuel average and everything on that part. Okay, and here we have the infotainment system, which has also Android Auto and as well as Apple CarPlay. So this comes with both inbuilt, and you have Bluetooth connection as well, and as well as you have the USB. So this car has phone charger. You have to use the USB charger. There's no wireless charging on this phone. And I got this recently, a used car, and it had 46,000 kilometers on it when I got it. It's just 2,000 kilometers that I drove so far, and it's a pretty clean car. There's interior here which is plastic, and there's a light that goes here, the line of, and it connects until here. It doesn't come to the door here, only on the dashboard. And please let me know in the comment what else you would like to see on this car. I will show you in details about everything about this car. I will also make a driver's point of view as well, so that you will have an understanding how this car works in terms of the speed and everything. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm very new to this car vlog, so support me. Thank you so much for watching.